Today's energy is brought to you by Teamy Tea. Today I am drinking the skinny tea because I need some energy. So I'm going to start off by looking under this cabinet under the sink and thinking to myself, oh Lord, this is crazy. But I'm about to reorganize and clean all this stuff, and I'm going to let y'all know ahead of time right now. You are going to find out that I am insane. I have OCD, and yeah, I don't know what I'm doing half the time because I'm just like, I want to put stuff here, I want to put it here. I can't never make up my mind where I want to put things, and I'm just crazy obsessive compulsive with certain things, and it's going to show in this video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is cleaning underneath my cabinet that's underneath my sink that has like my soaps and different stupid stuff and whatever. So I'm going to get this done first. So now I'm going to clean out underneath the cabinet that just has all my Tupperware that I have not reorganized since I moved in. I kind of just threw stuff in there and that's that. So I'm going to be straightening all this up. I basically just keep my little Tupperware down there and my mixing bowls and just some throwaway cups. Now I'm just going to clean out and reorganize where I keep my pots and my teapot and some of my glass bowls and some other stuff like my blender and my hand mixer. So in this video you're going to be seeing me spraying something, and if you're wondering what that is Murphy's oil mixed with a little bit of water because I really love the smell of Murphy's oil, and I know it's like a wood cleaner, but I like to use it on everything because I love the smell of it. So I just put it in a spray bottle, mixed it with water, and if you see me using a wash rag, let me tell you, it ain't a wash rag that I be washing my body with, okay? I got my own special little wash rags just for my kitchen, so don't you be worrying about that now. So now I'm going to clean out this little whatever cabinet at the bottom. I just throw some extra stuff in there because I ain't got enough room in my little food pantry. So now I'm just going to be cleaning out my little pantry cabinet here. That is one thing I do not like about this kitchen. I don't have a pantry. The first apartment me and Alan moved in, I kept my food up in the cabinet too because I didn't have a pantry. But then the apartment we just moved out of had a pantry. So I done got used to having a pantry, and now I'm like, man, I got to put my food up in the cabinet again. What the heck? So let me show you this little trick I just learned today. If you ain't got no chip clips, girl, I know you got some bobby pins laying around your home. So you go grab yourself a bobby pin and you bobby pin them chips. So if you see me cutting the tops off the bags, it's because there's not that many chips left, and that big top portion of the bag is just making everything look messy and taking up room. So I cut them off and I closed it with a bobby pin. Pretty smart, right? But then later I realized I did have chip clips, so I was like, wow. But whatever, I can use them on something else. So now I'm just reorganizing my little candy stash here because I have a major sweet tooth, so I always keep me some candies up in here. If y'all have not tasted them good thin cracker thingies, whatever, Y'all need to try them. They are delicious. I've had them in every flavor and I love every one of them. But the ones I have in my cabinet right now is the sweet potato ones for when I want something a little sweet. And then the black pepper and sea salt. They are so good and they're good for you. So it's a win-win. You guys, I finally got some more Marmite. I'm so happy about this. I love Marmite so much, and I love to eat it every day on some grainy toast. Oh my god, it's delicious. And if you haven't tried it yet, I mean, that's up to you. It's not for everybody, but I'm a huge fan of it. So I had to re-buy myself another jar because I already finished off my other jar. So now I'm just cleaning out and reorganizing my spice cabinet. This is where I keep my olive oil, my salt and pepper, and all that stuff, and like flour or whatever. Now, I know you see me on the phone, and you know I am on the phone to my mom. She called me, and we're just chit-chatting, talking about things, and complaining, and whatever else us ladies usually do. And yeah, so I'm just reorganizing some of my other cabinets now. I'm not taking nothing out and wiping it down, because you know what? At this point, I don't feel like it, and I really don't feel a need for it, because there's no food up there, you know, so it's not messy. It's just plates and bowls and coffee cups or whatever. So now I'm going to clean out my entire ice box, but I am not touching the freezer because let me tell you, one morning I accidentally left the freezer open when I was getting the freezer packs for Alan's lunchbox, and a lot of the ice melted. So it's like a big icy mess, and I am too cold right now to be sticking my head and my hands and my arms up in a freezer to be plucking that ice out and wiping that down. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's cold enough in this ice box right now, so I'm just gonna focus on this for now. I'm wiping everything out and just putting everything back in its place. And this is when you're gonna see my OCD is gonna kick in, because it's just gonna kick in. You're gonna see it, girl. So I'm just wiping the inside of the shelves off and the inside of the door and stuff. It doesn't really get dirty because, I mean, I did just move in and I keep my stuff clean anyway. But I'm just wiping it off so it'll be all fresh and clean. And you're about to see my OCD kick in with these canned drinks. Because I don't know why, like, I will do this several times a day. I will look in there and position them and put them in certain places, and then I want them facing this way or facing this way, and then I'm like, oh, I don't like them there. There's not an even amount of drinks. I just get so OCD with it, and it drives me insane. I know it's so stupid, but I'm crazy, so I don't know what to tell you. So now I'm just going to be wiping down my countertops and my cabinets and the blue tile backsplash in the back there. And I filled my sink up with water and I poured some bleach in it. So I'm bleaching everything down because I love me some bleach and I love the smell of it. So I'm just cleaning everything really good with that bleach water while I'm also making my hands really dry and crusty, but that's okay because I done put some lotion on my hands, so I feel a little bit better. But oh my gosh, bleach is so bad on your skin, girl. But it's all good because it's good for my kitchen. Ooh, can you smell it through the screen? Yeah, I'm just kidding. Okay, anyways, so I'm just gonna wipe all this down, as you can see. So now I'm going to take these little tea lights and I'm going to light them, and then I'm going to do like a DIY candle type thing with my essential oils from Simply Earth. So you just get a tea light and then you light it and you let it melt down as much as you feel like. You blow out the candle and then you put some essential oils into the candle, and then it's best to take a toothpick and like mix it around, but I didn't have a toothpick, so I used a straw, and you're going to see that in a second. And then you let it form back, like you let it dry, and then you relight it again, and then you have a scented candle, not a candle, of your choice. And I used peppermint, so I wanted some peppermint scents in my kitchen today. And now I am reorganizing my utensil drawer. It looks insane right now, but it's about to look nice in a few minutes. You'll see. Now I'm just mixing my little essential oil in there. I'm going to give it some time to dry or form, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to light them up. And now I am completely done with my kitchen. It smells so good. It feels so good. It looks so good. Hey girl, hey. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's my peppermint candles, y'all. And I'll see you next time. Bye.